Your families are with us tonight and you're forever in your debt. The service they give is above and beyond. We're also here tonight to thank the men and women of public safety in this community. They go above and beyond every single day for us. Their families sacrifice for us. And I cannot tell you in our time of need how amazing it was for us to not just have our men and women of our fire department, our police department, and our dispatch units, but we also have our sheriff's department, UCSC Police Department, Watsonville Police Department, Capitola Police Department, our California Highway Patrol coming to our need, and they protected